In this video, I will show how to get the toolbar back if it's missing in Illustrator. So guys, for any reason if you not see this toolbar, so you can get back easily. Click on Window, and here guys you will see the option Workspace. So there are some options. First one, select Automation. Workspace and select Automation. Second way, Workspace, Window, Workspace, then select Essentials. So this way you can get the back your this toolbar. Window, then Workspace and select Essentials or Essentials Classic Layout Painting as your requirement, or just select Reset Essentials. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.